Lunch. It's the meal we put the least amount of thought into. Boring sandwiches, quick pot noodles. It's just there to get us from breakfast to dinner without starving. And because we don't think about lunch, we don't think about all the waste we create with it either. Do you want your lunch to help save the planet? Then we want you to help us make a better lunch solution for everyone by entering our global challenge. Repack to Restore the World challenges students under the age of 21 to come up with alternative ways of sustainably packaging lunches for school and the workplace. You can make a real difference in reducing plastic pollution and helping to save the environment. It's free to enter, and you don't need to be a computer genius to apply. Remember, often the best ideas are the simplest and easiest to implement. Join teams from over 45 countries, as the winners will have the chance to showcase their idea to real scientists and industry experts from around the world. Let's continue our efforts to stem the tide of plastic pollution, because there is no Planet B. So, grab your friends and register your interest today by signing up on www.bieacompetition.org.uk. Protecting the environment starts with you. Let's create a future we want to visit.